we are talking of 90 souls that has been lost, but the number can even increase to 5,000, depending on whether we have other graves or not. The offense that has been committed by this person called Mackenzie qualifies him to be tried for the offense of genocide at the ICC. Madam Speaker, these people who have lost their lives, they have lost their lives in circumstances that they never deserved to lose their life, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, protect me from Raphael Wanjala is interrupting me.
For Kimilili, I think you can tell Honorable Wanjala is in his best behavior. So just continue.
I'm properly guided, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, but I must say this. This Mackenzie, when he began his fake church, issues were raised about his conduct. It was very easy for the government of Kenya at that time to just uproot him. But we allowed this man to germinate into a very huge tree that we are struggling to cut today. Madam Speaker, we are also debating about this Mackenzie, and we are also forgetting that we have another fake man in Tongaren calling himself Jesus, and wives have abandoned their husbands to go and make that home their first home, that they are living with Jesus, and we are not uprooting this man, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the government of Kenya has tolerated this type of behavior for a very long time. Madam Speaker, it's not just this Mackenzie. We have got very many things that begin as small things. Even as we speak today, the same way the government of Kenya tolerated this Mackenzie is the same way we are tolerating people who are engaging in urban banditry, economic sabotage, and anarchists, Madam Speaker. That from today, I want to advise the IG, I want to advise the Minister in charge of Interior that they should only communicate to Kenyans through a charge sheet insofar as this matter is concerned, insofar as even those other people who engage in anarchy are concerned, and that we must also, as a government, to be able to deal with the criminal activities at the point of germination and not to allow them to grow into a monster that will eat into so much of government resources to deal with them. It is today, Madam Speaker, we just had a statement in the morning about what is happening in Sudan. The people who are causing those havoc in Sudan are known. Even us in our country, we must have a responsible agencies that should be able to identify criminals and arrest them even before they go to execute the criminal activities, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Deputy Leader of Majority, my very good friend, Honorable Owen Bayer, brought this matter at the right time. And he alluded to the fact that previously before, this Mackenzie was being protected by serious and senior people in government, but today tables have turned. Owen himself is a senior person in this government. He has said he should be arrested, and they should be arrested as such, Madam Speaker. And as I finish, the same way we tolerated this Mackenzie, we are also tolerating Raila and Uhuru Kenyatta. These are the anarchists. They should be arrested before they germinate into a very huge tree that will terrorize this country. I support, Madam Speaker.